H&M and Spotify have teamed up to give you an amazing deal with Spotify Premium, but sometimes the process can feel confusing. You don't want to miss out on enjoying ad-free music, unlimited skips, and offline playlists, so let's get started. So first, check your H&M account for a Spotify Premium gift card or code. H&M often sends these codes through email after you make a purchase or sign up for their promotions. Second, once you have the code, open the Spotify website or app and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's very quick to create one. Third, go to the Redeem page on the Spotify website and enter your H&M Spotify Premium code in the box. Okay? Fourth, after entering the code, you'll unlock your Spotify Premium account. Enjoy all the benefits like music without ads and offline listening, plus top quality sound. Lastly, make sure to double check the expiration date on the code so that you don't miss out. So now you can enjoy Spotify Premium with H&M's awesome offer. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment for more tips. Thanks for sticking around. Love ya. See you next time.